What is up, you guys? Midwest Flipper here, and I make videos about selling items online for profit. Whether you're new to flipping and don't really know where to quite start yet, or if you're a seasoned veteran or just looking for new tips and tricks, you're in the right spot. In most of my content, I'm actually out in public, whether it be at garage sales, or flea markets, or antique stores, and I always come across a lot of awesome items that sell for big profits. If that sounds something interesting to you guys and something you want to learn more about, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below.
So this is my first time at this Goodwill. I'm hoping we can find some good stuff here. And right off the bat, some Ralph. Has the buttons, and it looks good on the outside as well. So this is gonna be our first ad of the day. Let's see what we got. Okay, it's pretty sweet. It's like a vintage Nike Athletics. Looks like a basketball warm-up. Gonna have to put that in. I'm thinking we could get probably 15 or 20 for that one. Let's see what else we, okay. Right here, Nike Golf. This will be able to get probably 15 or 20 for easily. Here, Resell, some cigarette memorabilia. Cigarette stuff always sells, especially this vintage stuff here. Durell's a brand of cigarettes. We're gonna have to add this too. Right here's a little Target drop-off at Goodwill. It's like these Toon Squad Space Jam lunch boxes. They're selling for between 15 and 20. They're only asking 6 here, so I'm going to load up on these. I'm actually surprised to see all of these video games. I looked all of them up. I thought like some of these, like the Star Wars one and these older ones would be good, but the only one worth getting is this Max Payne. And it is, whoops, it is complete. They're asking $5 here, and I'm thinking we'll be able to get 15 to 20 for it easily. So I'll put all these other ones back and stick with this Max Payne. Just a quick update. I ended up selling this Max Payne for $19.95 plus shipping after only an hour of being listed. Got some more Ralph here. Beautiful condition. And right behind it, a long sleeve Ralph. These long sleeves actually sell for right around $20, while the short sleeves sell for like around 12 or 13 usually. And then this is pretty cool too. It's a vintage like South Pole button up. I'm thinking we could probably get, you know, 12 to 15 for this pretty easily too. So why not for $5? I'm seeing this shelf here. They're asking $4, and I think it's gonna be perfect for my office to help organize video games. They fit in there just perfectly, and there's enough shelves to be able to organize them by system and whatnot. So I'm gonna definitely have to pick this up for myself. We are now at location number 2 for the day. Right off the bat, I'm seeing a nice polo sweater. I apologize for the lighting at this location too. I can tell it's pretty glary because the sun's just coming right in on me, but I'm gonna have to add this one. Right, nice little dry fit Adidas long sleeve workout shirt here. It's in pretty good shape too. Added. Right. See a faded glory short sleeve button down in green. It's a 2X size too, so I'm thinking I'll be able to get around 15 for that eventually. It's not going to be a quick sale, but and then look at here, a nice Pga Tour Polo and a 2X. I might end up getting this for myself. I just got into golf this past year and need a couple golf shirts. All right, Under Armour. Golf polo as well. Gonna have to put that one in. This is another item that we ended up selling after a couple hours of being listed for $14.95 plus shipping. right here behind it is a Nike one. We will be able to get 15 to 20 for these all day without a doubt. I love selling these golf polos. Here we have this super vintage Gander Mountain backpack. It's like wool. I'm guessing it's at least 20 or 30 years old. I can't find anything like it comp-wise on eBay. However, they're selling, or ones like it, the vintage wool ones, are selling for between 40 and 50. So for $6, I'm gonna have to pick this up. I was heading up to check out and I found another Ralph Lauren polo that we're gonna have to add, as well as this Wrangler button down. It's Rock 47 by Wrangler, so we'll be able to get probably $20 for this as well. I'm going to go make a purchase of all these items that we picked up, and I will see you guys back at home and go over what we sold today while we were out. So the first item up is this It Talkie brand. I think it makes noise or something like that on the inside. I picked this up at Meijer on clearance a while ago for like $5 and ended up selling for $14.59 plus shipping. Here we have a massive sale. I picked up this label printer about a month ago for $20. I got two others, so I paid $60 total for the three of them. And this one ended up selling for $170 plus shipping. So all in all, a great profit on a $20 investment here. Next up here, I have this vintage Hot Wheel of a Corvette. It came out in the year 2002, so it's about 1 year away from being classified as vintage. But I paid $1 for this at a garage sale, and it sold for $9.50 plus shipping. Next up here is this Dickies brand long sleeve button-up work shirt. I paid $4.99 for this at Goodwill, and it sold for $11.16 plus shipping. So nothing too crazy, but I picked this up last week and I knew it was going to sell pretty much right away. Next up here we have three sales from all the same Goodwill pickup about a week ago now. This Puma golf polo shirt ended up selling for $15 plus shipping. This white Live Lucky hat we paid $3 for at the hat section at Goodwill and ended up selling for $19 plus shipping. And then this hat right behind it ended up selling for $17.95 plus shipping. And this one was bought from Goodwill for $3 as well. Next up here we have this really cool Chicago Cubs jersey. It's got like it's like a polo shirt, but it has like a jersey material on it. I picked this up for $5 at Goodwill, and I was gonna be able to get, $15 to $20 easily. However, it had a busted button on the top that I didn't notice at the time, but it still ended up selling for $9.95 plus shipping, so nothing too crazy, but we still made a couple dollars on it. Next up here is another item from the antique store. We paid $4 for this here 1967 Johnny Lightning Malibu, and it sold for $11.96 plus shipping. And the same day we ended up picking that up, we also picked up this for, it was under $1. It was listed at $8, I believe, and we ended up getting it for like 80 cents because it was 90% off, and it ended up selling for $9.95. It's like a light switch plate. You can see like right here is where like the light goes through for like a man cave or basement or whatever. So we paid 80 cents and it sold for $9.95. These next two items are a pickup from Facebook Marketplace. We paid $6 each for these. I probably shouldn't have got this one because I've had it for a while now and I only ended up selling for $9.95. But still, it's a couple dollars profit after the fees and everything. But this one here, however, ended up selling for $15.95 plus shipping. So we're doubling our money on this one at least after the fees and stuff. So here we have a 1970 Ford Boss Mustang Johnny Lightning car. This one is definitely vintage, I believe. I can just 1994 on this one. So this one is almost 30 years old. I paid $1 for this at a garage sale and it sold for $11.19 plus shipping.
And the last order of the day is a double order. This person ordered 2 cars to save a little bit on shipping. I paid $1 each for these at a garage sale. This one sold for $8.39 and this one sold for $12.20 or something like that around there. So I appreciate each and every one of you for tuning into today's video. If you have any questions or comments about stuff that I went over today, make sure you leave that down and I will get back with you. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure you like and subscribe for future content. Thank you guys and have a wonderful day.